All right, so you have to go through make these shortcuts and make them favorite. You have to go through the main menu. So let's go to Dragon. All right, let's go to channel up first. So go to channel up. Now, if you just wanted to make the basic channel up, you want it channel up to be like on just channel up, no specific channel, just same thing. Add to favorites, and then it be in your favorites. Uh, However, you can go into channel up, and you know that your favorite channel is HBO. Same thing. Hit the menu, add to favorites, and it'll be inside of your the favorites button. So when you hit the star button on your remote, which is your favorite button, it'll be it'll go straight to HBO HD. Boom, done. Um, Again, same thing with Dragon Streams. You can make it a favorite from here. Boom. Or the deeper you sub menu into it, you can make those Dragon Sports add to my favorites. Hit my favorites button, you see Dragon Sports over there. So that's a quick way to do it. So as you can see on my favorites, I'm watching Quantico right now, and I'm watching Luke Cage. So since Quantico was in my favorites, and I'll show you where to get to the TV shows, but I'm just showing you the favorites now. So here I'm in season 1, and I just go to the episode that I'm on. Again, play around with all the apps. Some people like other apps more than others. I'm a creature of habit. If it works for me, I don't mess with nothing else. All right, so TV shows. As you can see, there's a scroll up at the top that came up. Those are trending TV shows. Um, if you click on TV shows, all the apps that play TV shows some sort of way comes up. Uh, Down here is going to be the ones that people use the most. Um, I use Exodus 90% of the time, Salts 10% of the time, Specto if nothing else is working. I haven't used these other ones yet. Again, find out what's good for you. Phoenix TV is a good app as well. So if you want to play around in Phoenix, um, play around in Phoenix, but you're gonna have to dig into Phoenix because I'll show you why. The Phoenix comes up with weird menus. Well, that's different. Oh, so let me show you something real quick. So when you're in a screen like this and it's in the list mode and you want to see thumbnails, press to the left on the arrow keys and you can change how it looks. And so Phoenix is pretty much Phoenix has changed their menu because they used to have more sub add-ons, but now they only have that add-on. And then to get out of that, just arrow to the right, and then you'll be back on the apps. Cool. So remember, if you go into an app, like let's see, Exodus, and this is where I go for movies. If you looking for a show and you know what network it is, you want to go what shows are playing on AMC. It's just going to give you a breakdown of all the shows that's on AMC. Boom. So you know your show is on AMC. This is where you go. You're 9 times out of 10, it's in here. Again, if you don't like that view, you want to see a different view, you want to see everything at one time, or you want to see a low list, whatever that means, poster wrap, which is kind of like iTunes. I didn't know how to get out of it. Sorry. And there's your thumbnail. So again, you want to change the look, that's how you do it. There's certain ways you can change it. There's a whole bunch of ways. I just normally use thumbnails. So that's the networks. Again, here's most popular, highly rated, new episodes, new TV shows, and then the ever popular search button. And that's if you don't see something and you want to look for it, you hit search, and then you'll find your show. But again, so most popular, you watch a particular show, here's the most popular shows. More than likely, these are the shows that are trending at the current time. So Luke Cage, I just started watching this series, This Is Us. So This Is Us, you know that's your show, add it to your favorites. If you like Narcos, hit the menu button, add it to your favorites. You scroll down, it'll go through all the shows that's on this page. So you see that there's quite a few, 5 pages. Hit the next page, and it give you the next set of trending TV shows. Again, you go into these shows, it's broken down for you by seasons. And you can save individual seasons. I don't think you can make episodes favorites. Would be kind of silly to do that. But you can. You can make favorites. Alright, so while I'm in here, I'm going to show you one more thing before I get to the 10-minute mark. So anything, this goes with movies, TV shows, but not with sports. Autoplay. Autoplay works awesome, so you don't have to sit back and find the best quality show. So I would show you. So if you wanted to watch episode 3 of season 4, you would click on it, and it's going to pop up with a bunch of links for the show. Which is probably good. I'll show you this as well, because if you go this route, this allows you to pick the quality show or video that plays. So these are HD quality. So usually it'll say HD at the end. So you see the first link says One Movie HD Video HD. Sometimes it'll say 720, 1080, HD, SD, or CAM for movies. And that's just telling you the quality of movie that you're watching. Again, I'm just backing out of the TV shows, and we're gonna go, and here's some stuff that's trending. The debate, that shouldn't be trending, that should be in comedy. But yeah, here's the stuff that's out there trending. So for the folks that watch Empire, here's Empire, which I've stopped watching a while back. I remember I was showing you, you hit the menu button, and instead of having to pick a file, you just hit autoplay. And what it's set up to do is autoplay finds the best video that's available. So whichever one is going to open up the fastest and play without buffering, that's what autoplay does. Autoplay finds that for you. So it takes a couple of seconds to search, but then once it does search, boom, you win like Flint. Alright, so that's movies and TV shows.